In this video, you will see how to make multiple views and link them in QGIS. Before making the view, let's add some layers. We will add base map. We add one base map here. Now let's add another base map. Let's open OpenStreetMap. Now we have two base map layers. What we want to do is we wanna make another view in the right side and connect those views so that if I zoom or move one view, another view will also synchronize with that. To make another view, we need to go to View and New Map View. Here we have another view. Now if we want to link those, you can see that if I move or zoom in the left main map, it will not affect in another view, that is map 1, so they are not connected. But what we want to do is connect and synchronize them. To do that, click on this view settings and select synchronize view center with main map, and also click on synchronize scale. Now if I move this view, it will automatically move this view. And also for zooming, that means the scale and position is totally synchronized with two views. But what if we want to see Google Hybrid Map here and OpenStreetMap here so that we can compare? But if I turn off any layer, you can see that both views are concurrently changed. But we do not want to do that. To do that, we need to make different themes and apply different theme in two maps. Now we need to make two themes. One theme will contain this Google Hybrid image and another theme will contain OpenStreetMap turned on. So we turn off the OpenStreetMap and make a Google Hybrid. Click on this Manage Map theme and then Add theme. Let's make it main map. Okay, so main map will be Google Hybrid, and turn on this OSM standard and click on this Manage theme and Add theme. Let's make it map 1 and okay. Now we have two themes, main map and map 1. So click on this map 1 and click on set view theme. Click on map 1. And now in main map, we will turn off this or select this main map. Now we have connected views, but two views has different layers so that we can easily compare. We can also add another layers and make other themes. And if we want to make multiple views, let's add another view. Now we have three views, but this view is not connected. To connect this, go to settings and synchronize. Now all those are connected. This is very handy option if we want to do something in different views so that we can easily compare. And you can also see that if we are in the main map, the other map also shows our location as a cursor, round cursor. So our cursor location is shown in all views. Thanks for watching.